Welcome to Chat GPT. Are you curious to learn more about this amazing AI language model? Let's dive in and explore 3 fascinating facts about Chat GPT. Fact number 1. Chat GPT is designed to provide information and answer questions. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant at your fingertips. Fact number 2. Chat GPT is an educational tool that can help you learn new things. It's like having a virtual tutor available anytime. Fact number 3. Chat GPT is constantly improving and evolving. It's trained on a vast amount of data to ensure accurate and up-to-date information. Chat GPT is perfect for people interested in expanding their knowledge and exploring new ideas. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, Chat GPT is here to assist you. With a professional and informative tone, Chat GPT delivers accurate and reliable information. Trust Chat GPT to provide you with the knowledge you seek. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Chat GPT. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep learning.